don't know what you can expect. I enjoy doing it because though I hated my wig, which I put on for this show, which was a very bad mistake. I'm saying it because Shabana's going to make some lob about it. Every time we would shoot, you know, I decided to wear this wig, I don't know for God knows what reason, to look different, to look like this madam who has moved on from the drug trade and is not really moved on, but is sort of moved up in society. And I don't know why I decided to do it. So I have to talk about the wig because it was a very important part of our shoot. And it was a ghastly wig, not because of the production. It just turned out to be a very poor wig. And every time we shot, it was always open air. So matlab ye wig had a life of its own. यहाँ से वहाँ मेरे मुंह पे सब कुछ. And रोज शबाना जी कहती थी, हाँ और विग पहनो, मम्मी मम्मी मुझे विग पहनना है. सो ये हमारा sort of byline बन गया शो में. And so one was of course the character, which was a very interesting character. She had nice shades to her, and I can't say very much about the character, but I thoroughly enjoyed doing the series. It's not a very large role, but it's an interesting role because it was Farhan and Shivani's show, and I got to do a lot of scenes with one of my very favorite actresses, which was Shabana. So I think that was a big pull. The producers and Shabana. Unfortunately, all these lovely ladies didn't have too many scenes with me, but we had a few, and they were a lovely bunch. And the trailer's looking amazing, absolutely. So I'm really looking forward. I hope I'm not a miss and blink in the series. Farhan, I'm looking at you and Shivani. You can answer.
No, that week will never go unnoticed.
Oh, be quiet.
We have made sure. इस शो में इतने
There's so many shots.
के नीचे हमने छुपाए.
I mean, now everyone's going to notice that wig. I shouldn't have spoken about it. No, I'm very happy to have been part of it, and the character is definitely very interesting.
But also, Lilith, the relationship between you and me is
Yes.
one of the warmest and loveliest in the entire.
And most interesting. I
Yeah.
mean, it's not black and white.
Yeah,
It's got so many
they take on
shades.
each other's roles.
Yes,
You know, sometimes
yes.
she becomes the.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
very lovely.
Yeah. I'll
Nicely written, Shivani. Nicely written about.
Yes. It's very nicely delineated, this particular relationship. I'm sure the others are, but I have not seen the series. But yes, I was very happy with our relationship.
So kind of like the sisters in arms, yeah?
Kind of, but even more than that. It's a very old relationship, you know, a 35-year-old relationship. And I think you have to be this age to really understand
Age
that.
का इतना जिक्र करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Constantly age क्या?
Well, it's a very deep relationship. Okay, so.
But wishing you the best, and we're looking forward to that character, and also the wig has a personality, so we
Oh
also look forward
God,
to
I
that.
should never have spoken about the wig. Okay.
Oh, is it? That I think Hitesh will answer that because Hitesh had a million expressions when she was answering about it. He's saying the biggest backstage. Let's bring it on. No. Monica, my next question is for you. Dabba Cartel brings together an incredibly talented cast and a gripping storyline. What excited you more about this series, and how does it fit